Hello, everyone. My name is Josiah, and I'll be going over the methodologies used for our experiment. The participants we worked on consisted of 37 male individuals, 7 males, 27 females, and 3 non-binary, with an age range of 19 to 66 years and a mean age of 31. The majority of the participants were recruited from the general public, with the rest being university students. However, as the data for these participants has not yet been collected, we will use data from preliminary participants. The sample data of the preliminary participants is consists of 95 people with a mean age of 21.6, with 80 females and 15 males. The first part of the study involved a handful of personality scales put into one questionnaire, which the participants were required to answer 2 weeks before they came to the lab. These personality scales included the Interpersonal Reactivity Index, Levinson Self-Report Psychopathy Inventory, Social Dominance Orientation Scale, Berkeley Expressivity Questionnaire, Body Perception, and the Body Perception Questionnaire. These scales allow us to gauge the personality traits of the participant depending on the score obtained for each one. For example, the Levinson Self-Report Psychopathy Inventory, the Social Dominance Orientation Scale, and the Interpersonal Reactivity Index are summed up to give a final antisocial attitude score. This allows us to better understand the correlation between how your heart rate varies based on your personality and the emotional sensations felt in the body. To collect the heart rate data, we attached ECGs and EMGs to the participant, with 2 of the EMGs on the side cheek and 4 just above the left eyebrow on the medial frontalis and the corrugator supercilii. Afterwards, the participant does the heartbeat tracking task. In this task, the participant has to first track a pre-recorded heartbeat by tapping on a keyboard. This is followed by them having to track their own heart rate without actually feeling for it. This allows us to gauge the interoceptiveness of the participant and how they will be able to feel their heart rate and their emotions. The participant then reads 4 vignettes, which is shown right here on the left, which are emotional stories, and they induce emotions, specific emotions. The participant then rates the experience of each emotion, for example, like anger, pride, sadness, fear, and how much they felt of it, whether it's lower or stronger. After doing this 4 times per block, the participant colors in on a BSM where they felt the emotion getting stronger or weaker, with them coloring where they felt it getting weaker on the left, on the right, and where they felt it getting stronger on the right.